This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to download Node.js. So I'm right here on the Node.js main download section on their site, so you can find it at nodejs.org/download. Now, I will of course put that link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that link and you will fly on over to this page, so you don't need to do any searching or anything, as it's kind of buried in their website. So right here it will know what operating system you are on, so it has correctly identified that I am macOS. So you can pick your poison here. There's lots of different versions. We've got the Windows version, there's a Linux and an AIX version, as well as the macOS version I mentioned. You can also indicate what IDE you will be using and so on and so forth, and that will change this right here, which is what you can actually use in your terminal. So lots of different ways of getting Node.js, so you can install directly from the terminal if you're within your IDE, or you can come on down here and you can get a standalone binary, or the installer. In this case, like I say, it knows that I'm using macOS. If you're using Windows, for example, you will have a different button here. So this is the macOS installer, which I'll show you, and it will install the .pkg file, and you'll open up the installer from there, from your downloads folder. Now, this is the super quick version. Obviously you can copy this to the clipboard and just put it into your terminal. You might be doing it from I don't know, VS Code, or maybe Cursor or somewhere. So you have that right there. But if you're interested in actually getting the install file, we will click this green button right here. That will fly up the universal Mac symbol that something has downloaded. Now, depending on your browser, I have Google Chrome here on my Mac, so it goes directly to the downloads folder. Your downloads location might be different, so you will find the installer there. Hopefully you found this video on how to download Node.js useful. If you found this video helpful, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.